Hi, this is Chris Hall. I'm the Director of Corporate Sales and Training for RateFast and RateFast Express. And what I'd like to do is introduce a workflow for you, the adjuster, when the primary treater cannot, will not, or simply refuses to write their own P&S report, and you just can't close the claim. So the solution is RateFast Express. It allows you to generate an impairment report when you need it. So in this scenario, the adjuster controls when to initiate the RateFast Express process. There's no more waiting for the primary treating physician, additional exams, or QME availability. And there's a very easy workflow to follow on our adjuster flyer. And I'll introduce you to that flyer right now. So step one assumes that the patient has reached MMI, that the primary treater has indicated that, or indicated they're dismissed from care, but also told you, the adjuster, that they will not be doing their P&S report. So rather than being stuck, you can control this process, and you can actually, as in step two, stating you can prepare a cover sheet authorization form that gets the ball rolling with RateFast Express. And in step three, you simply send in that authorization form and some very select medical records into RateFast Express. You can either fax them in or email them in. We have secure versions of each. In step four, you will receive a completed P&S report with signature reviewed by a QME in about a week. This is something, a report that you can submit to the DEU for final approval, adjudication, and case closure. So moving on to the impairment rating agreement, or the auth form, you can see very simple one-page form. Usually takes you about 30 seconds to fill this out. It just asks for the patient demographics, your information. My information is on here with RateFast Express. Everything's very transparent in terms of pricing, and what is needed is all mentioned down here at the bottom after you check the body part or body parts to be rated. And in step two, you can securely email what we need. You can either fax it or email it. We prefer email, easier to read, easier to manage into the report, but you'll need to send over the doctor's first report and the most recent PR2 exam note, all the surgical procedure notes and any consult notes for the injury, and then the most recent imaging and diagnostic reports for the injury. Finally, RateFast Express's email is stated here, and then we also have a secure fax. It's all on there, and you'll find that in most single injury cases, it's under 20 pages that you'll need to send in. Again, not necessary to send in the entire file, but just the important information that we need. Finally, RateFast Express will complete your report, and what we do is we scour everything that you've sent. The report's generated, it's reviewed by a QME, it's rated for accuracy, proofread twice, and in California, it's even signed by a RateFast staff QME. And this includes everything: physician signature, whole person impairment rating, the percent WPI, work status, apportionment, and future care needs. Everything all stakeholders require in the reports are in the report. Finally, that report is emailed directly to you, and the process only takes about 1 business week. So this is a way that you follow a very simple process with very little time and effort. You can close your claims with fast, accurate, and very timely P&S ratings. And finally, you have the flyer that at the bottom is a QR code you can scan that will take you to the authorization form. And finally, my information here is at the bottom. You can call, text, or email anytime you have a question or need a copy of anything or just need some educational review. So finally, again, last but not least, is my email and my mobile phone that you can call anytime or text anytime, or please email me anytime. Hey, thanks for listening. If I can answer any questions, please get back to me. Thanks.